How to draw the Miami Heat logo. We are going to start off by drawing a little bit more than half of a circle, with the opening being towards the top right of the circle. Then from the right side of the circle, we are going to draw a curved line that goes up and to the right. This will be the beginning of part of the flames coming from the basketball. Then coming to a point with the line that we just drew, we are going to draw a curved line going to the left that's small for the first flame. Then from that, we are going to draw a wavy line going upwards. Great job! For the next step, we are going to draw a curvy line going up and to the right from the left side of the circle that we drew at the beginning. This curved line is going to go up to about the same height as the wavy line that we drew on the right does. Looks awesome! Now we are going to draw the hoop that the basketball goes through, which will be a curved line that goes right here, all the way around, connecting to the top of those two lines and then to the left of the basketball. Looks great! Now we are going to draw another curved line just like the one we drew, but this one is going to be a little bit bigger and go around the one that we drew, making the outline of the hoop. Wow, learn how to draw Hoop Crew! Our drawings are looking amazing. Next, we are going to draw the three flames above the hoop. We are going to act as if we continue that curved line on the left side right here, upwards to the top of the hoop. For the first flame, we are going to draw a wavy line going upwards that then comes to a point and curves back downwards, connecting to the hoop. Then we are going to draw the second flame connecting to the one that we just drew to the right of it, but it's going to be a little bit shorter. And then lastly, we are going to draw the third flame above the hoop. This one is going to be a little bit longer than the second one that we drew. Then we are going to add two details for the flames right underneath the hoop in the middle. We are going to draw a half circle to the left side, and then we are going to draw a half oval shape to the right side. The left side of this oval is going to line up with the third flame that we drew right above the hoop. Awesome job! Now we are going to color those two shapes in black. Looks great! Next, we are going to start drawing the detailed lines for our basketball. The first line is going to go right here from the top, down, curving to the right at the bottom. Looks great! The next curved line that we draw is going to be just to the right of that below the hoop, and it's going to curve down right here and curve to the left at the bottom. Looking awesome! Learn how to draw Hoop Crew! The next curved line is going to start just to the left of the half circle that we drew and going to curve downwards and to the right at the bottom, and then there's going to be a curved line right there to the left of it. This is how to draw the Miami Heat logo. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big like below, and if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, be sure to subscribe. Also, check out our logos playlist to see more logos in particular. Thanks for drawing with me. See you again next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.